If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show the you I've come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. If a woman could be 2 places at one time, I'd be with you tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. And the world should stop revolving, spinning, slowing down to die, I spend the end with you. And when the world was through, then one by one the stars would all go out. Then you and I